Bitcoin money value equivalent to $212.67 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 206.14 225.31. The earlier day close, 207.94. Which really is very critical. The change most certainly was plus 4.73, plus 2.27% in every practical sense. In spite of mainstream thinking, converse rate, United States dollars to BCH in every practical sense, large way. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, September 18, cost $217, kind of most extreme 232, truly least 202. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, September 19, cost $218, exceptionally greatest 233. Truly least 203, which is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, September 20, cost $235, extremely greatest 251, genuinely least 219, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, September 21, cost $227, genuinely greatest 243, certainly least 211 in a genuinely huge way. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, September 22, cost $224, for the most part greatest 240, certainly least 208, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, September 25, cost $224, greatest 240, exceptionally least 208, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, September 26, cost $224, certainly greatest 240, kind of least 208, sort of additional appearance how Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, September 18, cost $217, most extreme 232, exceptionally least 202. Or so they thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, September 27, cost $225, in every way that really matters, most extreme 241, by and large least 209, showing how sort of converse rate, United States dollars to BCH in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, September 28, cost $226, truly greatest 242, truly least 210. Which certainly shows that Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, September 18, cost $217, certainly greatest 232, especially least 202, which generally is very huge. In about 14 days Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, September 29, cost $224, genuinely most extreme 240. Truly least 208 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, October 2, cost $221, truly greatest 236, kind of least 206, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, October 3, cost $222, by and large most extreme 238, beautiful least 206 in an especially significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4, cost $217, truly greatest 232, least 202 in a quite enormous way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, October 5, cost $209, truly most extreme 224, sort of least 194 in a by and large huge manner. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, October 6, cost $201, kind of greatest 215, kind of least 187, further appearance how today's exchanged cost range, 206.14 225.31 in a genuinely huge way. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, October 9, cost $193, really most extreme 207, least 179, which is very huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, October 10, cost $224, extremely greatest 240, really least 208. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, October 11, cost $216, greatest 231, for the most part least 201. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, October 12, cost $225, exceptionally greatest 241, kind of least 209, further appearance how Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, October 11, cost $216, really most extreme $231, certainly least $201 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, October 13, cost $223, really most extreme $239, kind of least $207 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, October 16, cost $221, especially greatest $236, all things considered, least $206. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, October 17, cost $221, greatest $236, lovely least $206 in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to BCH swapping scale equivalent to 0.4702 coins per $100. Which essentially is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.4438 0.4851 in a kind of significant way. The past day's nearby, 0.4809, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.0107, 2.22%. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, September 18, cost 0.461 coins, sort of greatest 0.495, certainly least 0.431 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Tuesday, September 19, cost 0.459 coins, kind of greatest 0.493, least 0.429, which explicitly is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, September 20, cost 0.426 coins, especially most extreme 0.457, genuinely least 0.398. So dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, September 20, cost 0.426 coins, genuinely greatest 0.457, really least 0.398, which especially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Thursday, September 21, cost 0.441 coins, really greatest 0.474 in every practical sense, least 0.412, showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26, cost $224, kind of most extreme 240, kind of least 208, further appearance how Bitcoin money value forecast for in the not-so-distant future, and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, September 18, cost $217, exceptionally greatest 232, especially least 202, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, September 22, cost 0.446 coins, sort of most extreme 0.481, lovely least 0.417, which by and large shows that Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, October 16, cost $221, greatest 236, kind of least 206, in opposition to